Hello YouTube, this is Johnny Elm. I'm here in my closet, aka my recording studio, and I'm going to be recording some vocal noises for a project that I'm working on. Now, what I mean by vocal noises, it mostly comes down to screams and stuff. Like here we've got, slamming into something, being lifted by the head by another person, struggling to move, crashing, slashing, punching, jumping, screaming, etc. And given the recent Performance Matters hashtag highlighting the issues that a lot of voice actors have with working in the video game industry under a contract that was made 20 years ago and needs to be changed, one of their highlights for their main concerns of this strike that a bunch of these voice actors are going on is vocally stressful situations need to be reduced. Time spent recording noises like screaming, punching, crying, whatever, a lot of stuff that causes stress on the throat and your vocal cords, that needs to be limited. And I'm going to use this session as a way to show you what a relatively short time of doing some kind of these noises can do to you, because voice actors are sometimes forced into these sessions for many hours at a time, and I believe 4 is the standard. So I'm going to show you with a somewhat limited list of what my demands for making a bunch of noises are, and I'm going to show you what that can do to me so it can give you some perspective on what the voice actors are going through. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy this video. This is Abaven's first line where he goes, and then crashes into something. Slammed into support beams. Lifted by head. Hits concession stand. Struggling to move. Another and then crashing into something. No, not that. Slashing. Dashing forward, followed by more slashing. Slashing with just a hint of landing several blows. A few noises of me jumping onto and off of train cars. Punches. This is Abaven lifting the wheel. Come on, come on, come on! 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 Now there's just a come on by itself. Come on! Come on! Come on. Come on. After all that, you're going to just go, come on. Come on, man. Lift it already. More of a Baven struggling against lifting the wheel. I'm gonna move the mouse so that my computer screen isn't blank. So pop filter's right there. I'm gonna use both hands to get into the method of it. Whoa. I lost some of it there. It's like the Hulk coming down and becoming Bruce Banner again. Anyway. Jeez. Not just my throat, but my wrist is kind of hurting from all this method acting. A baby making one final push against the wheel. Just a little further. Come on! Yeah! Just a little further. Come on! Yeah! Just a little further. Come on! Yeah! Just a little further. Come on. Just a little further. Come on. Okay. I'd say that brings this recording session to an end. I've been recording for about 24 minutes now, so hopefully that gives you a good idea of what voice actors can go through in video games when they are forced to make noises like that for about 4 hours. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And remember, performance matters.